Now, how many of you find yourself with bananas looking like this? Sometimes you purchase a bunch of banana and you tend to eat a few, and then a few of them is going to get to this stage. What do you do with this? Do you toss it or do you use it up to do something? When I was growing up, we used this to make fritters. We would just crush it and add a little bit of a sweetness, a little sugar and some flour to it, mix it up, and then we would fry it and then we would eat it. However, guys, nowadays I have a different way to use this type of banana. I now use it on my skin. In case you're not aware of it, banana is amazing for your skin. It have to lighten and brighten and clear pigmentation from the skin. You can choose to use basically the entire banana, the flesh of the banana and the inner peel of the banana. Banana peel, you can just use it and just rub it on your spots like this. It is also good for warts and mole on the skin. Today I'm going to use it to make a facial mask, an anti-aging facial mask that have absorbing properties. A mask that's going to have to clear pigmentation from the skin, to lighten and brighten the skin. A mask that's going to have to transform the skin, and it's a mask that is great for most skin types. So what are you waiting for? I'm sure you want the recipe, so let's get in the kitchen and start whipping this up.
So here we have the ripe banana, and today I'm using only a half. Bananas are rich in natural oils and potassium, which deeply hydrates and moisturizes dry or flaky skin. It also helps to clear hyperpigmentation on the skin since it contains vitamin C and B6, which can help to improve skin tone and elasticity. Using banana on the skin will leave your skin looking brighter and give you a more natural glow. I'm going to be using half of the banana and I'm going to chop it in small pieces since I'm going to be blending. If you do not have a blender, go ahead, use a cheesecloth, squeeze it through, or even a strainer and just press on it, and that's going to make the banana ready to use. Now here I have some soy milk, and we're using soy milk today because soy milk is rich in vitamin A. Vitamin A have to reduce wrinkles and fine lines and even boost collagen and elastin in the skin. If you do not have soy milk, use regular milk or almond milk. I'm using about 2 tablespoons of the soy milk. I'm adding this to the bowl with the rest of the ingredients. Next, I'm moving on to my third ingredient, and this is going to be some coffee. Coffee is rich in caffeine, help to boost circulation on the skin, and when you mix it with the banana and the soy milk, it creates an amazing anti-aging remedy that can help to transform the skin. I brewed the coffee, and once the coffee is brewed, I set it aside to cool, and now I'm using just about 2 tablespoons of the coffee, and I brew this really strong, so 2 tablespoons is good. If you have instant, yes, go ahead and use it. Just use what you have, add some water to it, and make it into 2 tablespoons. And now that we have the coffee in the blender along with the banana, we are going to move on to an oil. Today I'm going to be using some apricot oil. Apricot oil is also rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. An amazing natural oil to use on the skin. We're going to use a tablespoon of the apricot oil. We're adding this to the bowl along with the banana and the soy milk. Now here I have some vitamin E oil, and vitamin E oil helps to nourish and protect the skin. It's an amazing oil that you'll find in almost every skincare product that you have. Vitamin E oil comes in different grades. Mine is 800,000 IU, so I'm using just a little 3 to 4 drops of the vitamin E oil. I'm adding this to the blender. Now once this is done, guys, guess what we're gonna do next? We are gonna now move on to blending. So let's go ahead and just blend all these ingredients together. We're making an anti-aging facial mask that's going to cleanse the skin, boost collagen and elastin, clear hyperpigmentation on the skin, and best of all, it's going to leave the skin with a natural glow. So let's go ahead and blend away. Once this is done blending, we are going to pour it in a small jar. You can also choose to pour it in a storage container and keep it in the refrigerator for up to about 7 days. Now here we have our mixture. This is our banana facial mask, and what we're going to do, we are going to take a bit of the mask and you're going to apply it onto clean skin. For this mask, you want to wash your face before you apply it, and once your face is washed, then you are going to apply it all over your face. And don't forget to apply it over your neck and décolleté. When you apply it on the face, guys, it's not going to dry right away. You might need to give it time to dry, guys, and let it dry on the skin for at least 30 minutes. You can also choose to use it as a face wash, where you just wash your face regular and then you rinse off. Once you leave it on the face to dry, it's going to tighten and it's going to leave your skin just smooth, clear, radiant with a natural glow. Good to use 2 to 3 times per week for best result, but safe enough to use every day on the skin. A simple, a easy, a natural way to brighten the skin, reduce wrinkles and fine lines, and boost collagen and elastin.
Welcome